In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect existing domain to Shopify store. If you already own a domain name through another provider and you want it connected to your Shopify store, Shopify can guide you through a transfer process right inside your admin. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your current domain registrar account, because you will need to confirm that the domain is unlocked, and you will need an authorization code, sometimes called an EPP code. Having that ready will make the process smooth. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From there, go to Settings and then select Domains. This is the area where Shopify manages everything related to your store's web address, including connecting new domains and transferring existing ones. Once you are on the Domains page, click the option that says Connect Existing Domain. Shopify will take you to the next screen where it normally helps you connect the domain without moving it. For this tutorial, you will choose the Transfer option instead. So on that next page, click the link or option that says Transfer it to Shopify. Now enter the domain name you want to use with your store. Type it carefully, since even a small typo can prevent verification from working. After entering the domain, click Next to continue. At this point, Shopify will ask you to verify the domain. Click Verify Domain. Shopify checks whether the domain is ready to be transferred. If your domain is unlocked correctly at your registrar, you should see a confirmation message that says the domain is unlocked. If you do not see that message, you will need to go back to your domain registrar and unlock the domain first, then return here and verify again. After the domain is verified and unlocked, Shopify will prompt you for the authorization or EPP code. This is a special code provided by your domain registrar that approves the transfer. Copy the code exactly as given and paste it into Shopify. Finally, click Next, then complete the process by selecting Buy and Transfer. Follow any remaining prompts Shopify provides to finalize the transfer. Once submitted, the transfer can take some time to complete, depending on the registrar. Keep an eye on your Shopify domains area for status updates. And that is all there is to it.